Alright, hello guys. So we are still fixing charging system. Yeah, China mobile phone or kabambe. So we start by applying hii inaitangwa like solder na apply kwa board ya the phone itself, ndio ukiweka charging system ndio ishike vizuri like iko clean. So after that you look for a better charging system. Hiyo sasa ili tuione ina fit kwa the phone itself. After you wiring, you apply the solder to it. After you have applied, sikuonyesha apply, but you had applied. So tunaweka na the soldering gun or hiyo heat. So we heat it from below and then we tunaekelea the charging system. As you can see, it's easy. Well, maybe umezoea ama hujazoea, but we apply it as you can see. So that way, and we wait for it to dry up, which is solder. You know, the board is still hot, so we tunabidi ikauke, as you can see. After it's dry, we let it go and then we let it cool. We let it cool, as you can see. It's that easy, so we test if it's working. It has the drain. The battery was too low, you can see. So we wait for it if it will work or it will charge. And in our case, we felt lucky and it worked. It's as easy as that. You can see it is charging. Yeah. So good job to us.